Okay, so it is Wednesday morning here in Granby. We got the sunrise right behind us. Aspen is trying to attack me. But our normal mornings are to get up, let her out, and then let her go to the bathroom. We come back, we get coffee, and then we come back, we get coffee, and try not to get bit by her because she's wild. Yeah. So there she is. But this is our view Wednesday morning. So we got this going on. Mel is actually doing a little bit of work here at the computer, and I may get started on a video this morning. I don't know if I will or not. It just depends. We sort of got a slow morning because we're going to go to the ARAPAHO National Forest, do some hiking later around Monarch Lake, and then that'll probably be it for the morning part. And just sort of hang out here a while today. We got hamburgers to cook tonight, but this is us. Maybe a few thousand miles away, but we're still watching daytime Tri-Cities. All right, day 2 of doing this little mound hike, I guess you would say. We're right outside of Sun Outdoors. Mound. Like Almond Joy, since we didn't get to go to the Mars. Oh, yeah, we didn't get to go to the Mars place.
I don't think we even saw where it was at, did we?
Well, it was raining the whole time in Topeka.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, we've had a really good trip so far.
Yes.
We've
Sorry. Aspen, come. Leave it.
We've got Aspen, trying to get every bottle. But this is a short little hike up on this mound right behind us. So we'll do this. We're bringing Mom and Dad along this morning, and then we're going to Monarch Lake. Man, I can tell the elevation already.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm like short of breath. So what do y'all think of the trip so far?
Oh, it's just beautiful.
That's good.
I love it.
There we are.
There are roads that roll on forever. There are trees that hold up the sky. There are places that seem never to change. There are people who'd like to try. So if you're out on the open road, and if you're caught in the pouring rain, and if you find that you're all alone, well, the Colorado Rocky Mountains are calling you home.
There are rivers that will never run dry. There are oceans that will rise again. There are promises that never come true. There are some that you can't defend.
As far as the drive in, you all said what?
It's rough.
I thought
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Most
25
beautiful
miles
place
an hour is the perfect speed so you can see and take pictures.
All right, so we are in Arapaho National Recreation Area. I guess I pronounced it all. Monarch Lake Trailhead. Aspen has saw another Aussie, and she is going nuts.
Get back in.
There are roads that roll on forever. There are trees that hold up the sky. There are places that seem never to change. There are people who'd like to try. So if you're out on the open road, and if you're caught in the pouring rain, and if you find that you're all alone, well, the Colorado Rocky Mountains are calling you home.
There are rivers that will never run dry. There are oceans that will rise again. There are promises that never come true. There are some that you can't defend.
So if you're out on the open road, and if you're caught in the pouring rain.
Hey guys, we are hiking in, where'd you say this was? I always forget. Monarch Lake. Right outside of Granby. So we were supposed to have went 3.8 miles, but we got a mile in, and I had Aspen on her leash, and there was a snake. And we couldn't tell what kind it was because it went under the rocks. Not sure if she got bit or not, and we was afraid to keep going. So she's acting okay though. I don't really think that if she got bit, I don't think it was a venomous snake, and I don't even know if they really have venomous snakes here because of the elevation or not. Because we're at 8,300 feet, and man, I can feel it today with my breathing, short of breath. We did some oxygen today. Helped a little bit, but I can still kind of feel it.
This area though, if you're in the Rockies and you miss this,
Woo!
it's an
Sorry.
injustice.
Yeah.
Because this is beautiful.
Sorry, I'm having trouble holding my phone. And of course, Aspen did get to swim in the lake. She had a wonderful time. We'll get some more pictures of the lake here pretty soon. I'm crossing a little creek.
There are roads that roll on forever. There are trees that hold up the sky. There are places that seem never to change. There are people who'd like to try. So if you're out on the open road, and if you're caught in the pouring rain, and if you find that you're all alone, well, the Colorado Rocky Mountains are calling you home.
There are rivers that will never run dry. There are oceans that will rise again.
It's amazing. You know, even though we didn't finish the whole thing, we did over 2 miles. And just because this little girl here had an encounter with a snake on the trail, and we didn't know if it had bit her at the time, and we was worried about going farther.
So anyway, you got camping in this back area. I don't know, what do you want to say about it?
It's just out there. I mean, you're in the wilderness when you're out there.
Yeah.
And by prime example, this trail is heavily trafficked with people today, and Aspen just goes, and she was on the trail, and there's a snake, and we had just passed probably 10 people.
At least.
So that just goes to show you we're in nature.
We are. But don't miss this place. Come and check it out.
The Colorado Rocky Mountains are calling you home.
There are rivers that will never run dry. There are oceans that will rise again. There are promises that never come true. There are some that you all my life I've wanted more, a place with a fire, an open door, a room for the kids and a couple dogs, 1,000 acres for when I walk somewhere close to the stars. Oh, I could call that home. Oh, I could call that home. I think I'm Rocky Mountain High. I think I've lost my mind. I think I'm gonna cry. Oh, you ought to see the stars at night, the rivers in the springtime. Yeah, the land, it speaks in rhyme. All my life I've heard the same. It's too far to the store, it snows too much, you couldn't take it. Oh, it ain't for us. It's a nice idea, but you ought to stay here. Oh, and I'm glad they did. Oh, I was meant for this. I think I'm Rocky Mountain High. I think I've lost my mind. I think I'm gonna cry. Oh, you ought to see the stars at night, the rivers in the springtime. Yeah, the land, it speaks in rhyme. So you can have your highways, your fast food, your city streets, and your million things to do. But if I was you, I'd find you a little piece of land